Yo, what's up, friend? This is Hall of Famer #1, back again. Sorry I haven't made any videos lately. We've been kind of tied up with schoolwork, all kinds of stuff, you wanna know more? If you've watched my video for a while, you should know about my schoolwork, about the work I have to do, It's just kind of hard, but, we get done, and we get to, So anyways, thanks to my commenters. This week has been my first week with comments, so I'm happy that someone's been watching my videos at least. So I'm just happy about that. So thank you to all my commenters, and thank you for the nice comments, not leaving any rude ones. But I know my videos are kind of funny. And no, your computer didn't just freeze. That was me. Okay, that was me. That was all me. Okay. So, I'm here today to talk about just different things and why I haven't been making my videos lately and just other things. But before I do that, thank you to my friend, Ren Colson. He's been a great supporter, and thanks, Okay. So, I haven't been making videos lately because also I have been doing my sport karate, and I am a yellow belt right now, but I'm trying to get my paper to become a orange belt. So, thank you, Sakura. Thank you for caring. If you don't care, I don't care either. If you don't care about me, I don't care about you. That's just the way it works, pal. I'm #1. #1. #1. You don't care about my videos, you call them dumb or something. I don't care about you. That's the way the video works. That's the way the cookie crumbles. You hear me? Cookie crumble. I like cookies. Cookies sounds good right now. I like cookies. Yummy. My mom won't let me eat cookies because I have to eat dinner pretty soon. But it's okay. I'll keep my appetite for dinner. Then I can have cake after. Cake. 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 Hey, bud. Uh-oh. Yeah, Beckham. Oh my god. And, get off of me. Okay, I'm back. Okay, sorry for that little interruption. Well, thank you, supporters. And once again, this has been your Hall of Famer #1. Be back next time. See ya! Bye. The #1 Hall of Famer. Bye-bye.